If you want to know how to fix Snapchat error code C14A, you've come to the right place. So as you can see, I can easily open Snapchat and everything is working as for me. But how can you do the same if you have this error code? So all we need to do is just to follow these simple steps. Firstly, open the App Store or Google Play, depends on your mobile type, and here search for Snapchat. Basically, we need to open the Snapchat app page inside of the App Store or Google Play. And here make sure that you have the latest version. So if you have the update button, you need to update it to the latest version. If you have the open one, just simply close the App Store or Google Play. The next step we need to do is just to simply open our settings, and from this page here, scroll down to find all the apps inside of the iPhone. It looks like this. On the Android, it may look a little bit different. So from this page here, just simply open the Snapchat page and make sure that all the settings here are turned on. Instead of contacts, they could be turned off. And as you can see, the location is available for the Snapchat while I'm using the app, and the photo access is all photos. So after that, we need to go to notifications here inside and make sure that when the notification is turned off. So after that, we can easily close this stuff here. Make sure that all the settings are the same. So after that, we can easily close, and then we can try to open the Snapchat. And if it still doesn't work, we need to delete the app. So hold your finger, click on remove app, and then just delete it. And then just re-upload it once more from App Store or Google Play. After that, your problem will be automatically solved. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Goodbye.